Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Zaigam Abbas and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel English with Zaigam Abbas. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest videos on English grammar, English essay, IELTS, linguistics and literature. So let us start from the very basic requirements of the students and the very fundamental that students must learn are all about tenses, parts of speech. So today our topic is tenses, but before starting tenses we have to start the very basic elements. For example, what is subject, what is verb and what is object. So let us start from the subject. Subject. When we talk about the definition of subject, it means a person or thing that performs an action in a sentence. एक सेंटेंस में कोई चीज़ या कोई इंसान जो काम करता है उसे सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं, ठीक है. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वर्ब, वर्ब इज एन एक्शन, जो काम किया जाता है, एन एक्शन दैट इज बीइंग डन, वो काम जो किया जा रहा है, और एन एक्शन दैट इज डन, या वो काम जो किया जाता है उसे वर्ब कहते हैं, ठीक है. एंड थर्ड एसेंशियल पार्ट of a sentence is called object. Object. Object means an action that is done to a thing or a person. An action is done to this thing. इसके ऊपर कोई काम किया जाता है. An action is done to this thing or person. जिसके ऊपर काम किया जाता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अली प्लेज क्रिकेट. अली इज आवर सब्जेक्ट because it is doing an action. Ali is performing an action. So we have studied it in our definition that a person or a thing that performs an action is called our subject, and action that is being done, जो काम किया जा रहा है उसे verb कहते हैं. And a thing to which work is done, जिसके ऊपर काम किया जाता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट. Got it? And this is subject and verb and object. These are telling us something about the subject, and verb and object are collectively called predicate. Got it? Verb and object are collectively called predicate. ठीक है जी. And if you have any question regarding this topic, I welcome you all. You can ask any question in the comments box. I will definitely reply you there, and hopefully see you in the next video. And our topic is fundamentals of tenses of English language. Thank you so much.